The new AnyTone 878UVII is here, and with it comes many new features. Because of these new features, we've received some questions asking us about how the features work, or how they'll change the way you use your radio. Some of these questions are pretty straightforward, but others can be a little more complicated. So we put together today's top 5 most frequently asked questions about the AnyTone 878UVII to help you save some time researching. How many contacts can it store? Something of concern for many of the users in the DMR community is their radio's contact storage ability. As of right now, there are nearly 200,000 contacts in the DMR ID database, and this number is increasing by almost 5,000 DMR IDs a month. Because of this growth, it's become an increasingly important upgrade to a radio that has the memory capacity to store all those contacts. And the AnyTone 878UVII will give you just that. This radio will come to your door with 500,000 contact storage, giving you plenty of space to add new contacts and, most importantly, help you keep all the ones you currently have. What data can you receive with APRS? The new AnyTone UV2 officially has all forms of APRS. Unlike this radio's former versions, where it was only capable of transmitting data, the AnyTone 878UV2 comes with fully functional digital and analog APRS. This will enable you to send and receive data. Your radio will display the call signs, coordinates, direction, distance, and digi-repeater pass when receiving the analog APRS from other radios. APRS is one of the most popular activities in amateur radio, and with the AnyTone radio, you'll be able to fully enjoy it. Will my old AnyTone Codeplug work on my new radio? Yes, you can still use your codeplug data from your previous AnyTone radio. For example, you could take your current codeplug on the AnyTone 878 and import it onto this version 2 radio. You can even use our exclusive Super Codeplug, which was recently upgraded to work with this radio. The Super Codeplug makes an excellent base codeplug to work from and gives you many of the popular talk groups many DMR users are on. How does the digital voice record work? A great new feature of the AnyTone 878UV2 is its ability to record voice calls. This new feature will allow you to record up to 14 hours of transmits you are involved in or just listening to. The digital voice recording will save all your calls with the same quality as you heard them. Each call is saved as a separate recording file with the DMR ID and time details of the transmission. You can then play them back or even send them to another user. This feature is made for those of you who are involved in making QSL cards. It will allow you to quickly go back and see who you contacted. Overall, it's a fun new way to use DMR radio. Do I need to use a different firmware or CPS for my other AnyTone handhelds? The answer is yes. We want to answer this question very clearly. Because this radio is new, it also has a new CPS. This CPS is completely different from the previous firmware used on your other AnyTone radios. So don't try and program this radio with firmware upgrades that come out with the AnyTone 868s or 878 radios. Many of the features with these radios are similar, but the CPS and firmware needed for programming are different. If you'd like to know if your radio is up to date, we added a link below to our AnyTone 878UV2 support page. Those are our top 5 questions about the AnyTone 878UV2 If you'd like to learn more about this radio's new features in full, click the link below to watch our first unboxing of it. Thank you for watching and 7-3.